Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use DoorDash driver app, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the DoorDash driver app on your smartphone. Log in using your registered email and password. If you have trouble logging in, tap on Forgot Password for assistance. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Check the current map for nearby delivery requests. If you see a delivery offer, tap on it for more details. Review the pickup location and the estimated payout. If you accept the request, you will receive directions to the restaurant. Proceed to the restaurant and check in upon arrival. Once you receive the order, double-check it against the receipt. If everything is correct, tap Confirm Order in the app. Navigate to the customer's delivery address using the app's directions. Once you arrive at the customer's location, tap Deliver to confirm. If the customer is not available, follow the app's instructions for contact. After delivering the order, provide any necessary feedback. Review your earnings and see if there are any pending payouts. Use the app to track your performance and delivery statistics. If you encounter any issues, access the support section within the app. Familiarize yourself with the app's features for a smoother experience. Always keep your app updated for the latest improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.